Do you often feel like life has become a constant race and you've forgotten what it feels like to enjoy the present moment? What if I could transport you to a magical place where you could heal the parts of yourself that are holding you back, causing you pain and suffering? Imagine being able to let go, reconnect, and feel truly whole again. In just 6 days together, you will experience a powerful shift in your emotions, your thoughts, and your overall outlook on life. This journey together will give you greater motivation, inspiration, and clarity. Picture yourself immersed in an environment dedicated to your healing and transformation. A place where you can finally take a breath, step back, and discover your true self again. Do you feel stuck in patterns that no longer serve you? Are negative thoughts holding you back? Perhaps you cannot let go of past pain. Maybe you are overwhelmed with stress and worry, and it's draining your energy. During these 6 days, we will work together to release old wounds, silence the negative thoughts in your mind, and replace them with a sense of empowerment and peace. Would you like to join me here in Mexico for this adventure of a lifetime? This will be an extraordinary journey where we will discover what has been holding you back and give you the tools you need to move forward in your life. I have a proven track record helping thousands of people to live their best lives, and my breakthrough program that will be implemented on this retreat gets results fast. If you're watching this, it's not by chance. The universe has brought you here because you are ready to take the next step towards a more powerful, brighter, and positive future. Spaces are filling up quickly. This is a limited opportunity. If you know that you need to make changes in your life and everything I've spoken about has resonated with you, then why not start now?